Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a fun skincare review. You guys know how much I love trying new products, and today I'm going to review the new Laurel and Holland Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And I've used their products before and I extremely loved it. If you look back on my channel, I'll link it below too, and I'll leave it in the description. I actually talked about their eye gel for hiding bags, wrinkles, crow's feet, so I was excited to try this out because it's brand new and they just threw it on the market. So one thing, if you guys don't know about hyaluronic acid, it's extremely beneficial to your skin, your hair, because your body produces it naturally. The main function of hyaluronic acid is to keep your connective tissues and joints and all of that nice and hydrated and moisturized. So now you guys kind of know a little bit more about hyaluronic acid. So now I'm just going to get into the review of this. This bottle cost $45 and it's 1 ounce. It is a nice durable bottle and it is a pretty good amount. I've seen way more expensive for way less products, so you're getting a good amount of it. And I know 1 ounce seems like and you're nuts, but when I tell you that a little bit goes a long way, I promise you, you do not need a lot. I feel like so many people waste products, like skincare products, because they think the more the better, but it's so untrue because your skin can really only absorb so much. So what's great about this too is that this contains vitamin C, vitamin A, aloe vera, chamomile, green tea, all organic certified ingredients, which is major. A lot of times people will put fillers into serums and skincare and this and that, and you're not getting the full effect of the product. So it's almost like you're paying more for fillers, especially like in conditioners, things like that. It's basically the same. So when you're looking at getting a hyaluronic acid or vitamin C, you want to make sure that it has good ingredients in it. I can't stress it enough. If you got something that's half the price on Amazon and then you look in the ingredients and you see a lot of fake stuff or chemicals, it's going to hurt your skin more than it's going to help it. So it's really important if you're putting out money for it to get the real deal. What's nice about this too, it almost acts like a little bit of a filler to your fine lines and like crow's feet, things like that. And it's nice and silky. It's not watery, which is great because I've used hyaluronic acids that are very watery. And I like this because there's other ingredients in it, so it can sit underneath your makeup and kind of protect your skin. Or if you're prone to getting like the crepes underneath your eyes, that will kind of fill it up and then give you a nice flat surface to work with when you put your foundation, your powders, your concealers, all that kind of stuff on. It just gives you a really great base. So it's really important that when you put makeup on that you have a great base, because if you don't, it's going to be very uneven, it's going to be patchy. It's just, this is a perfect type of primer. When I look for good primers or things that I want to lay underneath my makeup, I look for things that are nice and hydrating, not sticky, not oily, not greasy, something that's going to help fill in the pores, things like this. Things like that. So this would be really great if you kind of struggle with, you know, bigger pores, things like that. I would definitely recommend this for that as well. And it would be really great too, like right now I have a little bit of a pimple, so if you're kind of struggling with acne before you put on makeup, not only is this going to help the wound and help it heal faster, but it's also going to create a barrier. One thing I love about this company too is they have 100% guarantee money back if you feel like it doesn't work or it's not, you know, your skin isn't loving it or you're not linking up, you know what I mean? I love when companies do that, because that means they believe in their brand and they believe in their products so much that they're willing to, you know, refund you if you don't like it, because most likely you'll end up loving it. It will last you a long time. And I literally just put it all over my face, and because I'm having a really awesome pimple right here the size of a mountain, I like to take my little red light. And the red light, if you guys don't know about red light therapy, it's amazing. I have another video on that. It's crucial, especially if you get cystic acne and breakouts. Oh, it's amazing. So I like to put that red light right on top of where my pimple is, because this is going to make my skin absorb the serum like 60% more than it would without the red light. Then you can also feel the red light combined with the serum makes your skin literally so tight and so fresh, which I love. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you soon.